Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. So this is the MacBook Pro, the 15-inch one. And then right here we have the MacBook Pro, which is 16-inch. So I actually been using the 15-inch for a really long time right here. And then I decided to get a 16-inch because I needed to upgrade the laptop over time. Because for this laptop, I've been using it already for almost 3 years. And it's actually been pretty good for me to use it over time when I use it more and more because the performance has been good. But as I use it more and more, the performance wasn't as good as where I wanted it to be. So I needed to upgrade to a brand new one. So that's why I decided to get the 16-inch one to do like a little quick upgrade of the actual laptop so I can do more stuff on it. And that's not the only thing I upgraded in terms of the laptop, but the performance and everything. So I got a better graphic card, a better memory card and everything as well. Alright, so I have it side by side right here. You guys can see it's not like a huge difference, but it's like a tiny little bit difference. I don't know if you can see or not, but it sticks out a little bit more right here for the bottom one. But before I show you guys both of these laptops, let me show you guys what the packaging looks like on the 16-inch one really quick. Alright, so we have the 15-inch packaging right here. So if you guys forgot what it looks like when you guys first open it up, you guys obviously have the laptop inside here, which is what we have when I show you guys already. And inside they give you guys the cable right here, and they also give you guys instruction manual right here, and then the charging dock right here, which is what I've been using, so I can't show you guys that right here. But don't worry, because I'm going to show you guys the same exact thing in here. So this packaging is the one that's for the 16-inch MacBook Pro. So it's a little bit different design in the terms of how they show you guys the laptop right here. And obviously the packaging or the box itself is a little bit bigger as well compared to the 15-inch one. So for this one, when you guys open it up, obviously you guys see the laptop first like this as well, which I already unraveled and show you guys what the laptop looks like. But in terms of the packaging itself, you guys can see it looks basically the same thing. So they give you guys the cable, which is USB-C to USB-C, and then they give you guys the actual instruction manual right here, and then right here is the charging dock or the adapter that you guys need to use to charge it. If you guys have the old one like me, then you can just use that one as well. You guys don't need to open up this one unless you guys need both. So for the one that we have right here is a 96 watts USB-C power adapter, and that's basically what the packaging looks like. One thing that I do want to mention is for the actual instruction manual right here. When you guys open it up, the sticker that they provide you guys right here is like a white design right here. But if you guys open up the brand new 16-inch one, so if you guys see right here, we have the instruction manual right there. But the sticker that they provide for you guys this time for the 16-inch is silver. So I definitely like the color of this brand new sticker a lot more than the older one, which is pretty cool. So you guys can definitely see that the packaging is a little bit different, not like a huge difference, but definitely in terms of the actual design for the packaging on the laptop is different, and also the stickers. And then obviously the performance is supposed to be better as well in the new laptop in terms of better graphic or better memory card as well. So that's a quick little unboxing, I guess, to show you guys what it actually comes with inside. Now let's take a look at the actual laptop really quick. So just to give you guys a closer up look of what the laptop looks like, this is the 15-inch one. So you can see how close these are right here. And same thing for right here. It's all attached together. And then for the keyboard right here as well, it's also very close. Compared to the brand new one, let me show you guys what it looks like. So here we have the brand new 16-inch one, if you guys can see. So this part's separated right here, and this part's separated as well. And also right here, if you can see. So this design is actually much better in my opinion, so that way I don't have to keep touching the Siri button by accident. And it's all separate here for a better ease use. And when we look at the side, it's basically the same for both the 15-inch and 16-inch because it has the USB-C output right here, or inputs. Same thing for the other side right here, if you can see. So there's the two USB-C output right there, and also the aux input right there, so you guys can plug your headphones if you guys want to. Which they also have right here on the 15-inch right here, so the two USB inputs, and then also the other two right here, and then the aux input right there. So basically the inputs or outputs are the same thing as the 16-inch, and the speaker is the same thing as well. So right here is the speaker, and also the other side as well right there. It's just that when you guys use the keyboard right here, it sounds a little bit different compared to the other one. So right here is the 15-inch. And then right here is the 16-inch. And then when you guys charge the device, you can use either one of the USB-C output or input to charge it. Out of all four, you can use any of them to charge it. but definitely the performance of the laptop is pretty good. Everything about it is pretty good. Speakers are about the same for both laptops, and when you guys load stuff or whatever, it's actually a little bit faster on the brand new 16-inch because of all the upgrades that I have, and also because of the new chips that they use for the brand new 16-inch versus the old one that we have right here. Alright, welcome back, guys. So now you guys saw a quick test and a little demo of each one of the laptop. You guys can see that there's quite a bit of a difference. In terms of performance, obviously the new one will be a little bit better because of the stuff that I got it, like a better graphic card and better memory card and everything. But definitely what I like a lot about the brand new laptop is the keyboard design. I always had that issue where I accidentally touch Siri every single time when I click on the button near the delete button. Whereas the brand new one, I don't have that issue anymore because it kind of like spreads out a little bit. But one thing that I did notice when I use both of these laptops is the keyboard. It sounds a little bit different. I feel like the 16-inch sounds a little bit more louder than like the one that is from the 15-inch because of the different keyboard design or the different keyboards that they use for the buttons. And definitely having a bigger screen is a lot more helpful as well. It's not by a lot, like I mentioned, it's like a little bit more, like a 1 inch. But having that extra inch is still better than having less. But in terms of everything else for like the performance-wise and everything, both of them are just about the same. Obviously, like I mentioned, the new one will obviously be a little bit better with the new upgrades that I got. But it still has the keyboard, still has the speakers on here, still has the mouse trackpad, and then still has the 4 USB-C outputs that you can use or inputs as well. So now that we did unboxing and a little testing, I guess, about the product itself, now to ask the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that the brand new or any kind of MacBook Pro, the bigger size I think is a lot more worth it than getting like the smaller ones. But I think it depends on like your situation, on what you guys need the laptop for. Like if you guys need to do like a lot of editing, a lot of uploading and stuff, then it's probably better for you guys to get like the bigger one, like the 15-inch or 16-inch one. But if you guys don't need to do too much editing or too much work in terms of like a faster speed and everything, then definitely go for the smaller one. And the smaller one is definitely a lot more easier to bring with you guys for traveling and everything, like the 13-inch one. But just the overall performance for the bigger laptops for the MacBook Pros, it just has a better performance in terms of everything: uploading speed, performance speed, better memory card, better graphics. Basically everything in terms of the actual MacBook Pro for the bigger ones perform better, in my opinion. So I would definitely have to say that it's worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.